Okay, so I recently ordered this in Shopee. This is the Telesin storage upgraded version. So it's actually a case for my GoPro. Let's do a quick unboxing. Yeah, because I actually have too many accessories for my GoPro. So I was looking for a case so that I'll be able to fit everything into it, and of course I hope that this Telesin case will be able to fit it to my needs. Alright, so bear with me, single-handed, because I'm just too lazy to get my tripod to mount the iPhone. Okay, yeah. Oh, it's kind of big actually. Stress watching me unwrapping this. Okay, so first look, it's like a rubbery texture, it's not plastic. Okay, and then here we got our, what do you call this, hook or something. Yeah. Oh, I think you have one here as well. So the Pro version basically is slightly bigger or larger. It can be extended compared to the normal one. I mean, yeah, getting a bigger one should be much more better than a normal one, right? Just in case if you were to upgrade, or if you were to get new action camera, and hopefully you'll be able to fit this into one case, right? Ultimately, you do not want to carry so many cases around when you're traveling. Okay, so first look, very nice material. So yeah, basically this is where you're able to position, adjust to your liking. So their default probably like this. You put your tripod here, and then you put, I don't know, your GoPro, any one of these. Let's see, so there's these two pocket. Over here is kind of soft material. Right, and then you have another compartment. Let me try to unzip this. So you have another compartment here. Right. So another compartment here, you can store your USB cable, or I don't know, anything that you can think of to make it much more neater. So here, yeah, there's another compartment here as well. In their picture, I saw them like, putting the GoPro batteries. You can even put your SD card. It's a strap type, yeah. That. Alright, so this is the Pro version, and this is how it looks like. Let's see how my GoPro case looks like. I just used the original one. I haven't put any in. I can't even close. Can you imagine that? I'll show you what I have right now. I usually put my GoPro in the underwater case, right? And then this is for underwater. It's a macro lens. I have two power pack. Usually I don't store the battery in the GoPro, right? I don't know, I just hope that can prolong the battery life. and of course my new Telesin battery pack plus charger with another 2 more of them inside. My tripod, and then I have like this is for underwater as well. It's a filter, some cables, and so all of this, if I were to fit in here, I can't actually close it nicely. So that's the reason that I'm looking for a new case. So let me set this up and I'll come back. I'll show you how it's gonna fit. Okay, so this is how my new case setup gonna be like. So you can see that I've put my selfie stick and tripod here. Okay, this is where the battery pack gonna go. I have a number of these, what do you call this, screw. So I think putting here will be fine. And the GoPro comes here. One of my macro lens goes here at the back. I put the 2 battery here. Tuck in just nice. And then I have the memory card over here. This is my extra one. The filter, underwater filter. This is my magnetic chest strap. And those loose items, I just gonna chuck everything inside here. So and I should be able to close this nicely. So let me give it a try. Again, single-handedly. It's actually quite easy to zip. Right. Just make sure all of these are tucked in properly. And then I'm going to close this. Yes, this is much better. So the old one, I'm just gonna keep this aside. Then this will be my new GoPro case. Alright, so this is just a quick, you can call it review, of this new, not really new, but my new Telesin case. Let's see, it's huge. Alright, so I actually found out here there's one extra zipper, right? So let's see. So if you unzip this, I think this is why it's called the Pro. So once you unzip this, it can be like slightly bigger, so more space for you to store more stuffs. So inside, let me see. So inside, basically, I'm not sure how is this gonna look like. Right. So once I did that, so it affects the storage space inside here. See? So basically you have more space to throw everything inside here. This part, this portion. So it'll be deeper. But I guess for now I don't need it. Because right now it fits just nice. So I just found this out when I was flipping this case around. So yes, thanks for watching. Bye.